Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the workpiece is stable and your PPE is on. Once steady, mark the hole center and, if needed, drill a small pilot to guide the core bit. Make sure the core bit matches the hole diameter and set the drill speed according to material. Lower RPM for harder surfaces. Connect coolant or water feed if required. This prevents overheating and dust. Begin with light pressure to seat the bit. Don't force it, let the tool cut. Once the bit is engaged, maintain steady, even pressure and keep the drill aligned perpendicular to the surface. You want rhythmic, controlled feed rather than pushing hard. This reduces binding and bit wear. Make sure to watch bit temperature and add coolant or pause to cool if heat builds. If you feel chatter or slowing, reduce RPM and slow the feed. If cutting smoothly, you can slightly increase. Keep an eye on debris evacuation. Clear chips as you near breakthrough. Reduce feed and RPM to avoid tearing the exit face. Then gently retract the bit while the tool is still rotating to clear chips. Inspect the whole edge and core for quality and clean both immediately to prevent rust or contamination. If the drill binds or stalls at any point, stop the motor, back out slowly, clear debris, and reassess RPM and feed. Sometimes reversing briefly frees a stuck core. Finally, store the bit dry and check for damage before next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.